everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Karen. As the headline shows, today I will introduce some stretchable workwear for you. If you are in this industry for a long time and pay close attention to the market, you will notice that stretchable workwear are getting more and more popular among the consumers. It's because, on the one hand, the workwear is so important to make sure their safety and convenience while working. On the other hand, they realized the work have occupied 40% of our life, so they will look for more and more comfortable workwear, that is, stretchable workwear. Here comes our first set. I will introduce the fabric for you first. It's 65% polyester, 30% cotton, and 8% spandex. The weight is 260. You will notice it's ripstop. It's in heavy yellow, and it could be well certified by EN ISO 20471 Class 2. So we could make sure it's accordance with your policies in your market. As you'll notice, the fabric contains cotton, so if you are looking for cotton jacket but in heavy yellow, heavy colors, it could be a good choice for you. Now let's go to the details. It's ironed with symmetric heat transfer tape at the body and sleeve. The center front are closed with nylon zipper and covered by the bracket, so we'll never get stuck while working. 2 chest pockets closed with zipper. 2 side pockets closed with zipper as well. Adjustable sleeve with Velcro. And heat transfer print at the chest and back yoke. So we'll find the whole jacket also sporty look and slim fitting and fashion look. Okay. Here's the pant to match. It's in same fabric. Contrast with 92 nylon 8% spandex cladding fabric. For the pants, it's very important to have enough pockets to hold all your essentials. You will notice there's 2 large waistband pockets, 2 hip pockets, one is opened and one covered with wrap. Leg pocket closed with Velcro at the top, and zipper at the side. These are different 2 pockets. Here is ruler pocket and other 2 pockets. Abrasive fabric and knee to make sure it's durable if your knee down. Okay, insert the knee pad here to protect your knee. We also made the heat transfer print here to make it look fashion. The details is very essential to add some point for the workwear. And let's move on to the next set. This one. The jacket was brought by one of my clients, but I still can't wait to share with you. So I only take the pants and hope you like it. The fabric is the core for these pants. The fabric is 100% polyester, and the weight we could make it 180% grams or 200 grams or 220 grams. So you'll notice it's full polyester fabric, but it's stretchable because it's our new developed fabric. It contains no spandex but it's stretchable, so it makes sure a very good color fastness for the fabric, even in high temperature washing. So if the pants gets very dirty and you need to wash it at 60-degree temperature, it's okay. It's totally okay for this one. Same constructions with the last one. 2 side pocket, 2 hip pocket, leg pocket curved with zipper. And for the pocket patch, we made it with print to make it fashion. For this one, cross with Velcro. Abrasive fabric at the knee. Can insert the knee pad here. Heat transfer print and leg, and make sure the pants could meet EN ISO 20471 Class 1. It's for the pants. And now I will recommend a series of new styles. We just finished the design. Let's try it one by one. Also, I will introduce the fabric for you first. The fabric is 60% polyester, 50% cotton, and 10% T400. Do you curious what is T400? I could introduce it for you. It's released by DuPont Company. There is not only T400 fabric, but also T800 fabric. It's a new kind of man-made fiber that is similar to spandex, but it kind of better because it have a better color fastness in high temperature and is more durable while using. So in these several years, so many clients are asking for T400 or T800 fabric. So we use it to design a series styles for your reference. We made it in heavy yellow and blue. For the blue color, it offers a fresh look. And it's not so easy to get dirty while working. Also for the elbow, for the sleeve opening, for the bottom hand. Symmetric heat transfer tape, and body and sleeve. Center front closed with local nylon zipper, also covered with bracket. Chest pocket, closed with velcro. And made another foam pocket outside the packet, chest pocket patch. For this chest pocket, also a foam pocket. 2 side pockets closed with zipper. So you'll find this jacket is in a quite low back feeling. For some workers, they will need some jackets that seems thicker, they seem stronger. So this kind of jacket could be a good choice for them because it's strong. It offers a strong feeling when we first look at the first sight. And now comes the pants. It's similar constructions with the pants, so I will make it quickly. It's essential to have the waist pocket, hip pocket, leg pocket, toe pocket. Because while working, it's essential to have enough pocket to hold all your tools. And here is also knee pocket to hold the knee pad. You will notice we use the sewing reflected here, and the width is 7 centimeters, so it could make sure the pants can meet class 2. Different clients may require different class pants, so we offered pants that could meet class 2 and offer pants that could meet class 1, just for reference. And we also developed overall. It's really long. Okay, you can see this. It's quite similar to the jacket and pants, but it's a combination of them. So you will find the reflective tip, chest pocket, side pocket, hip pocket, and elastic bending at the waist. For the leg, here is tool pocket. Here is the ribbon to hold the hammers. Knee pockets to hit the knee pads. So you will notice all the jacket and pants and overalls I showed is very suitable for outdoor work. Now I will introduce some workwear that is in solid color and it's mostly used in garage or by carpenters, and it has fashion look. And for the workers, they don't need to change this kind of workwear to leisure wear if they go out for something or they are on the weekend, because we designed it with very many fashion elements. Now let's move on for this set. I will show you the jacket first. It's made of 92% nylon and 8% spandex. It's 240 grams. It's heavy fabric, but as it contains nylon, it's so durable while using. It offers a sporty look and slim fitting. Now let's go to the details. Center front zipper, chest pocket, at the front top, here is the ID pocket to hold your ID card. It can also open at the side. These are two pockets. One's open from top and one's open from side. One's closed with Velcro and one's open with zipper. And for this chest pocket, we made it easier. Just a pocket closed with zipper. Two side pockets closed with zipper as well, and covered with this wrap. So you won't notice the zipper. The sleeve hem are closed with Velcro. Heat dot transfer print, and the chest and back yoke. Also for the pants. Two side pocket, two hip pocket. We made extra fabric at the waist, so when you crouch down, also you don't feel tight. Tool pocket for your ruler. For other tools such as pen, etc. Leg pocket could open from the top, and here is the ID pocket as well. And another pocket closed with zipper. Stronger fabric at knee to make sure it's durable, and can insert the knee pad here. Here's the pants. Okay. Last set is in blue. For the workwear, it's so popular if the color is in black, in green, in forest green, in blue, and we designed this blue set. Brace jacket. The fabric is same as the last set. It's 92% nylon and 8% spandex, so it's stretchable. For the chest pocket, we made a slighter adjustment. Chest pocket, side pocket, and ID pocket. Chest pocket closed with Velcro, and additional tool pocket outside the pocket patch. It's okay to hold your pen or hold your phone. Two side pockets closed with zipper. with braided tape at the shoulder and back yoke. Sleeve and bottom hand can adjust it with Velcro. Here is the jacket and for the pants. In the lab show, we just like to show the products so you can see it clearly, but if you need complete information, you can look our homepage. Two-side waist pocket, leg pocket closed with Velcro at top and zipper at side. Tool pocket, hammer, ribbon. Two hip pockets. Okay, so here is the stretchable workwear I'd like to show today. You will notice that we introduced several different fabrics for your reference. For the first one is polyester cotton spandex fabric. So if someone look for cotton jacket by high-waist yellow, it could be a choice. For the second, we recommend 100% polyester fabric. It didn't contain spandex by stretchable, so because it could make sure a very good color fastness. And the third, we recommend the cotton polyester and T400 fabric. It's very popular among the customers in these 2 years. And the third, we recommend the 92% nylon and 8% spandex climbing fabric. So, these are the fabric I'd like to introduce them to you. And for the constructions, they are quite similar, but we decided with some fashion features to make sure it look different and it make you distinguished in the vast sea of people. Here is all about the products. If you have interest, please send us a message about your demand. We could recommend more products or make more fabric in different competitive price for your market. So everything starts from your message. Please keep in touch. Okay, bye bye.